This is Claire from Claire's Culinary Adventures and Garden. Are you guys ready to pick peppers with me? Are you? You can see all the ripe peppers under there. A whole lot of them. Look here. This tree have on so much. And something's been eating them up, so I gotta get in there and pick. It might be muddy in here, I don't know. I'm gonna go on that side first. Up in this corner here, I have more peppers than over here, so if I can get in here, I gotta take my seat because I can't. Oh, yes. As I was saying the other day, you know, something is eating up the peppers. So I pick a lot yet. I have about 1 gallon Ziploc bag inside, but this one don't have on any yet. I mean, it have on pepper, but they're not ripe. So I gotta get over here and pick. Oh, this itch up. Yeah, something's been eating up the peppers, you know. So I have to try and get them. And get them picked because I'm getting ready to do some, you know, cut up some peppers for drying and make peppers, and to get some pepper seeds for my Etsy channel. I want people to start getting fresh seeds. These ones are very brittle and I don't want them to break, so I have to move these out of the way. Look at those peppers over there. Okay, let's see if I can move some of these. They're so heavy. Whew. And it's going to rain, as you can see. It's not really bright out here right now. It's going to rain today. And yeah, and it's going to rain for the next 4 days. So I won't be coming out here much to do any picking, so I might as well do it today. So, you see these? They're so big. Anyway, let me get in this corner over here. Hopefully I'm not breaking a limb. It's okay. So I've been earlier this year I shipped out quite a bit of pepper plants. And some people did good. One person got 3. And you know the thing I tell them, you know, when the peppers was growing in the house, I grow them inside the house. And when you get them, you gotta keep them. Keep them for like 1 or 2 days inside, and not put them out in the broiling sun. My father, when he plant when he pick up suckers, after he pick suckers to plant, I was younger, he used to cut a piece of limb and put over them, like when he plant tomato. He cut a limb and put over them to shade them. They need shade. They need to be protected from the hot sun until the root catch good, you know what I mean? So you have to do that when you have the young plants before you put them out in the sun, especially if they were growing inside. Anyway, you're picking pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper with me today from this tree. This tree have one more than all the others. Some of them have 1 and 2 ripe ones, but this one is full. And I'm picking them off, and it's good to pick them off. So, see, look at these. See these? They're so fat. You know, I find the least amount that the tree has, the bigger they are on the tree. The one that have more, they don't nice and puffy at the bottom like this should. Yeah, these are nice. This one have a lot on it. This one's a big size. I think this is the biggest tree. Tallest. It's the tallest tree. You do a lot of them almost up there. And you see, they have one young one. You got that young one. And different stages of growth. So this is what I got so far. And I see the bag here. Good amount in this bag. I'll check when I'm done what I've got. Let's see what's over on this side here. So I gotta get out of this little section here. I just noticed these corns drying up on the tree, so I picked them. I picked most of the corn. I didn't see these. So these are the Thai peppers, and I'm picking some because quite a bit of them has ripened up. I'm picking the half-ripe ones as well because they soon ripe up. It makes sense to leave them now. Let some of the other ones get ripe. Yeah. So that's what I'm doing, picking all the ripe and the half-ripe ones off the tree. Let's see if we find some more. This has finally started bearing, but none of them not ripe on that tree yet. And this is the green stalk. These are growing in the green stalk, as I might mention before. Somewhere here on this tree, on the other side. Sorry, this is on the other side. It's hot out here, as simple as it. Look, still hot out here. Sticky. Just because the rain's gonna fall. And from the deer bite that one, it never come back to. I should have just draw it out. I think what they come like goat. When deer bite the things, it's like goat. It's like it kill it. They said goat mouth. Kill things, you know, when goat bite your things. When goat bite your plant, you know, you can kill it. Yeah, I think I got all of them now. All the ripe ones, I think I got. This one don't have any. See when you're turning on this one, that's when pick it. I'm gonna cut them out, man. All the ripe ones gonna get cut out, man. I get seed from it. This one here also, this is a big tree. See it? Big tree. See? And it's full of pepper now. Look. Blossoms and pepper. So I got more Thai peppers than I need. I'm gonna do a seed giveaway as I mentioned. And I'm gonna put Thai seeds in there. I think I did that last year too. So you guys can get some Thai seed. All compliments of Duke. My friend Duke, who sent me all these pepper seeds last year and the year before.